An AI agent just discovered a critical Linux kernel vulnerability, one that's been present since 2017 and affects virtually every updated Linux machine, in a staggering 1 hour. It then generated a 732-byte Python exploit, complete with its own dedicated website. Think about that for a second. We're talking about CVE 2026-31431, a logic flaw found on May 4, 2026, which the industry thought was well protected. This isn't just a theoretical threat. CrowdStrike has confirmed active exploitation in the wild, and CISA has already added it to their known exploited vulnerabilities catalog, demanding immediate updates. When you consider that similar universal Linux privilege escalations on the gray market can fetch anywhere from $10,000 to $7 million, the implications of this AI agent's lightning-fast, free public release are nothing short of a seismic shift. This exploit allows an unprivileged local user to inject 4 uncontrolled bytes directly into the page cache of any readable file, ultimately facilitating root access. It leverages specific issues within Linux's AF_AGL interface and its ONCESN component, precisely targeting the universally present SU binary. The speed and relative ease with which this was achieved highlight a fundamental change in how vulnerabilities are not only discovered but also weaponized. But AI isn't just exposing deep-seated weaknesses in our core software. It's also revealing the shocking fragility of our development infrastructure. Take GitHub, for instance. Long considered the public record of software, it has recently experienced abysmal reliability. In April 2026, GitHub recorded a mere 86% uptime. That's a stark failure against its promise of 11 nines, and it follows a dip below 90% in 2025 that impacted over 100 million developers. The chaos reached a peak on April 23, when the platform's merge queue unmerged 292 pull requests across 658 repositories, effectively losing critical code. Just days later, on April 27, GitHub search was entirely unavailable for hours, crippled by a botnet. The very next day, the CTO was publicly apologizing for reliability issues, all while a critical remote code execution vulnerability was announced. This relentless storm of failures drove legendary developer Mitchell Hashimoto to pull his 50,000-star project, Ghosty, off the platform. The reason for this increased strain is clear: accelerated agentic development workflows, which have been heavily leveraging AI agents since 2025. These agents are overwhelming the platform's infrastructure, pushing developers towards alternatives like GitLab, Codeberg, and SourceHut. Microsoft's 2018 acquisition of GitHub, once hailed as an improvement, now faces a blunt reality. A platform hosting over 420 million failed side projects can no longer guarantee the stability that developers absolutely demand. The lie of robust, static infrastructure in a dynamically evolving AI landscape has been unequivocally exposed. The future demands systems explicitly designed for AI's inherent speed and its sheer volume of activity, systems capable of withstanding both its sophisticated probes and its overwhelming force. Our current digital backbone is simply unprepared for the intelligence and intensity of what's already here.